Shalom and welcome to lesson 3 of Hebrew reading. The first letter we'll learn in this lesson is the letter Gimel. This makes the same sound as the hard G in English, as in good or great. So we have Gimel making the G sound. This is another example of when we put the dot inside the Gimel. It does not change its sound at all in modern Hebrew. So this makes the G sound, and when we put the dot back in, it still makes the G sound. Okay, so let's practice a few of these sounds. Starting from right to left, we have gi, ma, a, ga, mi. Okay, let's try one more time. Gi, ma, a, ga, mi. And we can say another Hebrew word. Try to say this one. Gag. It means roof. Gag. Okay, let's read another Hebrew letter. This is the Hebrew letter Daled. And Daled makes the same sound as the English letter D, as in dog. So Daled makes the D sound. Now I'm going to teach you another vowel. If you remember, this is the consonant Aleph. It's silent. And when there's 3 dots underneath this or any letter, they make the eh sound, as in egg. The eh as in egg. So we have eh. That's how you would say this syllable right here with the aleph and the eh underneath it is eh. So how do you think you'd say this one? That's d plus eh with the 3 dots underneath, so you get de. Okay, so let's practice now. We have da, me, I, ve, ba. We'll do it one more time. Da, me, I, ve, ba. And we can actually read some more Hebrew words now. We have the word beged, which means garment. It's a garment. A bathing suit would be beged yam, a garment of the sea. Okay, beged. Another word that we can read is, try this one. It says dag, which means fish. This is the letter lamed. Lamed makes the L sound exactly like the English L. So we have lamed. Now let's try and practice based on the vowels we know. We have li, va, le, di, ga. Now the third one that says le, you see the dot inside the lamed. It makes the same exact sound as the lamed without the dot in it, as do most letters when they have a dot inside of them. Okay? The exceptions to that rule, I'll tell you. So let's try this again, reading from right to left. We have li, va, le, di, and ga. We can read another Hebrew word. Try to read this one. It says degel, which means flag in Hebrew. Degel. This looks very much like the S sound, except there's only 2 dots, without the 3rd dot underneath the 2 of them in the middle. This is a. Okay, in biblical Hebrew, it's pronounced more like a. In modern Hebrew, it often sounds very close, if not exactly the same as the eh that we just learned. But let's, in very careful pronunciation, we'll call this a. So we have le, ba, I, se, me. And this is the word lev, which means heart. Lev. And one more vowel now. When the 2 dots vertically are arranged like this, it makes the sound. Okay? So we have This is called the schwa, and in English it would be the sound as in houses. The at the end, houses. Okay, so we have s, ga, e, se, di. Let's try it again. S, ga, e, se, di. Okay, and now we can read another Hebrew word, the word meaning to skip. Try it. Lidaleg. Lidaleg. That's the end of the third lesson. There was a lot here. It might benefit you to play it again one or two more times just to really get the hang of everything we covered, because we covered quite a few new consonants and vowels in this lesson. And when you're ready, move on to lesson 4 to continue learning how to read Hebrew.